Hello guys, this is Dario from Cosmic Campervans, and today I'm going to show you a guide on how to correctly wind out your FIAMMA awning. This can be a tricky job if you are on your own. It is easier to have somebody help you as you do this, but the main thing that you need to know is that you should not extend this the whole way out without anything supporting it. It's amazing how many people do not know this. So what we're going to do is show you exactly how to do it, even if you're on your own, okay? So first of all, we're going to get our telehandler, whatever these are called, poles. We're going to hook it in to the back, and then we're going to unwind it like this. I always try to keep my hand and the pole away from the bodywork, not here, because we don't want to scratch the van with the pole. And we're going to bring it out probably about 30 centimeters like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the legs, and I'm going to pull the legs out. It's a little bit easier, right? Like that. And I'm going to undo these little turn knobs, just leave the load on here and do the second one. Pull this one out. So I'm just going to lock the legs in so they've got some support, okay? After that, I'm going to put it back in here. I'm going to continue to wind it out. Take it out, move the legs out. Just like that, and just go back. And that way we've got the leg supporting the actual awning as we extend it. If you want to, you can leave it just hooked like that. It does work. Again, just out like this. It's a lot easier if you've got somebody else to help you, and if you do have somebody else, or just get them to hold and support the awning like this as you bring it out the full length, and then get them to do the legs. So once you've got it to the desired width out or extension, you can now set the height with the legs. And what we're going to do, set it like this, maybe to that height, however high you want to have it. And you're basically using these to lock the position of the leg. Okay, so we'll probably try to get it level, not too high. Now, if it's raining, what you can do is lower this slightly so the rain does start to trickle off. You don't want it to collect on here and create big puddles that can damage it. This is meant to be a sunshade at the end of the day. It is not meant to be a cover for rain. If it is torrential rain, then you do need to put this away. So that's it. Once I've got it to the point where I want it to be, what we would do is we would just get our pegs and peg the two legs into the floor, and we're all good to go. So you can extend it out further if you want to, set the height. And the one thing you also have with the FIAMMA awning is we do have the C-rail on this case here. So if you wanted to, you could attach an awning here, and if you wanted to attach it whilst it's pulled in as well, you could do that as well. So you could still use an inflatable awning, for example, with this FIAMMA awning. So it's a great setup in my opinion. So how do we put it back in? Very simple, we're just going to do the reverse, that's it. Once I get it to about here, I can take this off now. I can loosen this, ignore the plastic because it's new. Lock this into place again, and take that and just place this back in. And the way that we want to know that this is locked in is the little red tab will kind of go into the recess. So guys, I hope that was helpful. It can be a bit of a pain sometimes to figure out how to use a FIAMMA awning or any awnings if you've not done it before. I know a lot of people asked me how to do this before, so I wanted to make a video to show you guys how to do it. If you are a newbie to campervan, or if you're a pro at van life, please do subscribe to us, ask any questions you might want us to make videos on. And if you are a beginner when it comes to van life and you want to learn how to correctly buy the base van, how to navigate the complicated conversion process, then we have our beginner's guide for just £99. For anybody who would like the full information on how to buy a right base van, how to convert it correctly, and how to actually do some of the services, just carpet lining, window fitting, diesel heating. So just follow the link in the bio below, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Thanks a lot.